Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of low-carb vegetables, perfect for people with diabetes. Managing blood sugar is so important for overall health, and what you eat plays a huge role. We're going to cover 12 amazing vegetables that are low in carbs and packed with nutrients. Let's get started. First up is broccoli, a true superstar in the vegetable world. This green vegetable is not only versatile but also incredibly nutritious, making it a staple in many healthy diets. Not only is it low in carbs, but it's also an excellent source of fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and can help you feel full longer, which is particularly beneficial for those managing their weight. Fiber is key for folks with diabetes because it helps slow down sugar absorption into the bloodstream, preventing those blood sugar spikes. This means that incorporating broccoli into your meals can help you maintain more stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Broccoli is also packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Vitamin C is known for its immune-boosting properties, while vitamin K plays a crucial role in bone health and blood clotting. Folate is essential for cell growth and metabolism. You can enjoy it raw, steamed, roasted. The possibilities are endless. Whether you add it to a salad, blend it into a smoothie, or simply snack on it raw, broccoli can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet. Plus, it's easy to prepare and can be incorporated into a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to stir-fries and casseroles. Broccoli is also a great option for meal prepping. You can cook a large batch at the beginning of the week and use it in different meals throughout the week. This not only saves time, but also ensures that you always have a healthy option on hand. For those who might not be a fan of the taste, there are plenty of ways to make broccoli more palatable. You can blend it into soups, mix it with other vegetables, or even add some seasoning to enhance its flavor. The key is to experiment and find what works best for you. In conclusion, broccoli is a powerhouse vegetable that offers numerous health benefits, especially for those managing diabetes. Its low-carb content, high fiber, and rich nutrient profile make it an excellent choice for maintaining stable blood sugar levels and overall health. So next time you're at the grocery store or farmer's market, be sure to pick up some fresh broccoli and start reaping the benefits of this amazing vegetable. Next, we have spinach, a leafy green that's incredibly nutrient-dense. Spinach is not just a simple salad base. It's a powerhouse of nutrition that can be incorporated into a variety of dishes. Spinach is very low in carbs and a good source of iron, which is important for healthy blood cells. Iron helps in the transportation of oxygen throughout the body, making it essential for energy production and overall vitality. It's also a great source of vitamin A, vitamin K, and magnesium. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy vision and skin, while vitamin K plays a significant role in blood clotting and bone health. Magnesium, on the other hand, is vital for muscle and nerve function, as well as energy production. Add it to smoothies for a refreshing and nutritious drink, or sauté it as a side dish to complement your main course. Sautéed spinach is quick to prepare and can be seasoned with garlic, olive oil, and a pinch of salt for a delicious and healthy addition to any meal. You can also toss it into your favorite pasta sauce for a nutritional boost. Spinach blends seamlessly into tomato-based sauces, adding both flavor and nutrients without overpowering the dish. Whether you're making a classic marinara or a creamy Alfredo, a handful of spinach can elevate the nutritional profile of your meal. Don't forget about spinach dip. This versatile green can be mixed with cream cheese, sour cream, and a blend of spices to create a delicious dip that's perfect for parties or as a snack. Spinach is also a fantastic addition to quiches and omelets. Its mild flavor pairs well with eggs and cheese, making it a great way to start your day with a nutritious breakfast. Lastly, consider adding spinach to soups and stews. It wilts quickly and adds a burst of color and nutrients to any broth-based dish. From minestrone to chicken noodle soup, Spinach can enhance both the flavor and the health benefits of your favorite recipes. Cauliflower is incredibly versatile and a fantastic low-carb option. You can use it as a substitute for higher-carb foods like rice and potatoes. Try riced cauliflower as a base for stir-fries or mashed cauliflower for a healthier take on mashed potatoes. Cauliflower is also a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Zucchini is another low-carb winner that's surprisingly versatile. You can spiralize it into noodles for a fun and healthy alternative to pasta. Zucchini is also a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. Try it grilled, stuffed, or added to soups and stews. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a spot on your plate. This leafy green is not only versatile, but also packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. From its rich green color to its slightly bitter taste, kale is a vegetable that stands out in the world of greens. It's low in carbs and loaded with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. Antioxidants are crucial in fighting off free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and lead to chronic diseases. Including kale in your diet can help reduce the risk of conditions such as heart disease and cancer. Kale is also an excellent source of vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision and skin, while vitamin C boosts your immune system and helps in the absorption of iron. Vitamin K plays a vital role in blood clotting and bone health. Enjoy it in salads, smoothies, or even baked into chips for a healthy snack. You can also sauté it with garlic for a quick side dish or add it to soups and stews for an extra nutritional punch. The possibilities are endless when it comes to incorporating kale into your meals, making it a must-have in your kitchen. Asparagus is a delicious and nutritious vegetable that's low in carbs and high in fiber. It's also a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate. Try it roasted, grilled, or blanched and served with a squeeze of lemon juice. Bell peppers come in a variety of colors, each with its own unique set of nutrients. They're all low in carbs and high in vitamin C. Red bell peppers are particularly high in antioxidants. Enjoy them raw, roasted, or stuffed for a flavorful and healthy meal. Green beans are a classic vegetable that's low in carbs and a good source of fiber. They're also a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Try them steamed, roasted, or sautéed with a bit of garlic. Cabbage is often overlooked, but it's a nutritional powerhouse. It's low in carbs and a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Try it shredded in salads, fermented as sauerkraut, or stir-fried with your favorite protein. Brussels sprouts are another excellent low-carb vegetable that's packed with nutrients. They're a good source of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Try them roasted, grilled, or shredded and sautéed. Cucumbers are incredibly low in carbs and high in water content, making them a refreshing and hydrating choice. They're also a good source of vitamin K and potassium. Enjoy them sliced in salads, pickled, or as a refreshing snack. Lettuce is a staple in salads and wraps, and for good reason. It's extremely low in carbs and provides a good amount of vitamin A and potassium. Use it as a base for salads or as a wrap for sandwiches and burgers. Thanks for watching. We've covered 12 amazing low-carb vegetables that are perfect for people with diabetes. Remember, managing your blood sugar through diet is crucial, and these vegetables can be a delicious and nutritious part of your journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. See you next time.